decision, no? It was provided by the Supreme Court na February 6, 2026, lapse ang one-year prohibition period and a second impeachment complaint can be filed already, no? However, dito sa recent resolution of the Supreme Court denying the motion for reconsideration of the House of Representatives, it was implied na yung first impeachment complaint that was filed on December 2 of 2024 was deemed initiated for failure of the House to take action within the period of 10 session days. Yung session days, medyo nagkaroon din ng changes doon because it is now equivalent to calendar days when the House of Representatives have sessions, no? So counting from December 2, 2024, yung 10 session days niya was until January 14 of 2025. In other words, January 15, 2026, nag-lapse na ang one-year prohibition period. However, even myself is confused. Alin yung susundin natin? Is it the February 6, 2026 na nasa original decision? Or is it the January 15, 2026, which was implied in the recent resolution?
So can the Vice President again question this before the Supreme Court? Kasi may mga nag-file na po today eh.
Well, let us not preempt kung anong mangyayari on the coming days, no? Even the second impeachment complaint against the VP, we have no official information yet. But I think it is important na maliwanagan, ma-clarify ng Supreme Court yung date kung kailan allowed na ang second impeachment.
How will that clarification be made, ma'am? Kasi di ba no more pleadings yung nakalagay?
I understand, but it depends really on the Supreme Court.